Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with more work from home job leads. I just want to say a big thank you to my international viewers for being so patient with me. But today I have 4 job leads that are hiring worldwide, globally. So this is specifically for you. I will continue to do my best to search for customer service and data entry job leads that are hiring international. I know that is the most popular and they're very hard for me to find right now. But with that being said, if you find any of the job leads that I share helpful, please like and please share with your friends and family, my channel, my job leads, so that everyone can work from home, living their healthiest, happiest life. As always, all the jobs that I discuss are in the description box below. But since we have 4 job leads, we will not waste any more time. The first one is from the company Hirsch Marketing. They are looking for a social media manager. So they are a fast-growing digital marketing company in need of a social media manager to provide support to the marketing team to help strategize, manage, and optimize their social media campaigns. So what you'll really be doing is overseeing their social media strategy, which means you'll write all captions for social media posts, you'll post pre-created Instagram story content, and all other social media posts. You'll post and schedule YouTube content, including the thumbnails for each video. You'll create any small graphics that's needed for the social media post, so you'll edit graphics, videos, and reels as needed. You'll collect samples from other social channels to share with the team for inspiration, so you'll be collaborating with the team. You'll have to maintain a Pinterest board and really just manage all their social media channels. So they are looking for someone who has a creative mind with great writing skills and a sharp eye for editing, someone who is passionate about all things social media, and someone who has great time management skills. They want someone who has 2 to 3 years of experience with social strategies for a brand online, and someone who is highly organized. Now, this position does pay very well. It pays $45,000 to $50,000 a year. It is a full-time. It is 100% remote, work from anywhere, and they also have open career paths so you can grow with the company. Next up, we have Healthcare Without Harm is hiring a finance coordinator. Now, a finance coordinator is responsible for coordinating the development of their global team's annual budgets. They have 5 programs and several projects, and make sure they're in alignment with the available funding from their funder requirements. You'll coordinate monthly financial management of the budgets, including activity analysis. You'll coordinate all the financial reporting to various funders across all of their global programs, and you'll support the re-grant cycle for their partners, and you'll also work as part of their global team to maintain the communication on the global programs and directors. You just keep everybody up to date on all the financials. Now, they do prefer someone who has a bachelor degree in finance, accounting, or related fields, but if you do not have a bachelor degree, they will take combined experience as a substitute for the education. They want someone who's 3 years experience in finance, accounting, or an administrative position, someone who can be fluent in spoken and written English. Spanish speaking is a plus, so if you're a bilingual, this will get you to the front of the line. They want somebody who has the ability to work with multiple stakeholders, who is organized and has the ability to remain attentive while maintaining deadlines. Now, unfortunately, this position did not list pay. That is always dependent on location and experience and would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. However, it does say submit your resumes, applications, and cover letters by the end of the month by September 30th. Next up, Trifila is hiring a community and content manager. They're a global company that builds communities and transforms brands. They own their brands and they take care of the entire customer journey. And so as a community manager, they want someone to create a creative communication strategy for, again, their social media channels to drive incremental reach to views and build the desire in their customers. They want to really get the brand out there and make people aware of the brand, because people don't make purchases until they trust the brand. So you'll collaborate with content production and social media teams. You'll create the content and coordinate the content creation process across all departments. You'll be actionable and have insight into what the people and the community want. You'll be the voice of the Shaper Mint Studios, and you'll plan and define any channel strategies or communication-based strategies. Now, while this does not require any college degree, they are looking for someone who has had at least 5 years experience in community management or social media, someone who is a strong communicator, has a proven ability to partner, build, and influence, someone who can have strong attention to detail, and has a learning and growth mindset. You're always wanting to learn new things, and great analytical skills. Now, again, a pay for this position was not listed. That would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have the company Lawlytics. Even though they are based within the United States, they are hiring anywhere in the world a remote client success onboarding specialist. So the onboarding specialist is responsible for guiding their new members from the point of sale through the successful launch of their website. So you'll guide members through stages of setting up the legal website, following documented procedures. You'll have to understand the attorney's goals for their website and tailor their onboarding experience to help them meet those goals. You'll manage each account through a timely launch, communicating and removing any barriers they have to launching their website. So you'll be working with other departments. Now, while again, they don't require any college degree, they do want someone who is highly coachable, who has great listening skills, the ability to speak and write clearly, someone who has a knowledge of customer service principles, great time management skills, someone who can be organized and has experience with SEO, search engine optimization, and website development. Now, again, pay is not listed for this position. However, it does say that they have competitive compensation, and they also have benefit packages including medical and dental insurance and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.